What is going on, guys? DJI from DJI Tech Domain, and today we're going to be taking a detailed look at the DJI Spark, a compact, powerful drone that's perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage. We'll be covering everything from its range to its camera, so let's get started. First up, I know the DJI Spark is getting old now, but it's still an amazing drone for the price, and they are getting very cheap secondhand, so it's a good time to get one if you want to start content creating and are on a budget. So let's talk about range up first. The DJI Spark can fly up to 2 kilometers away depending on your region and local regulations. If you're in an area with restrictions, you can use the DJI Go 4 app to see a live map of your flight area and adjust your settings accordingly. In addition, the DJI Spark is equipped with GPS and GLONASS positioning systems, which help ensure stable flight and accurate positioning. Moving on to battery life, the DJI Spark has a maximum flight time of 16 minutes, which is pretty impressive for a drone of its size. You can also purchase additional batteries to extend your flying time, and if you're worried about your battery level getting low, the DJI Spark has a low battery warning that will alert you when it's time to return your drone to home. Next up, let's talk about smart features, of which the DJI Spark has a ton. With the DJI Go 4 app, you can access features like Active Track, which allow your drone to follow you and film the subject without you having to use the controller, and Quick Shots, which capture cinematic shots with just a few taps. There's also gesture control, which allows you to take selfies and control the drone with a simple hand gesture. And if you want to get even more creative, the DJI Spark's Quick Shots range from 3 modes called Helix, Rocket and Droney, which is 3 pre-programmed options that the drone will do different movements and film where you've targeted yourself to get some cool shots without you having to have any experience. The DJI Spark weighs in at just 300 grams, which makes it incredibly easy to take with you on the go. However, it is important to note that in some countries, drones weighing over a certain weight, typically around 250 grams, require licenses or permits to fly. So be sure to check your local regulations before taking your DJI Spark out for a spin. In terms of speed, the DJI Spark can reach speeds of up to 50 km per hour in sport mode, which is perfect for capturing fast-moving action shots. And if you're concerned about safety, the DJI Spark has obstacle avoidance sensors to detect and avoid obstacles in its path. When it comes to the DJI Spark's camera, you won't be disappointed. It has a 1 and 2.3 inch CMOS sensor that allows you to capture stunning photos and videos. With the ability to shoot in 1080p HD at 30 frames per second, it also has a 2-axis mechanical gimbal that stabilizes your camera to help prevent shaky footage. And if you want to take your photography to the next level, you can use the DJI Go 4 app to manually adjust settings like ISO, shutter speed and white balance. Controlling the DJI Spark is a breeze with the remote controller, which gives you precise control over the drone's movements, and if you ever need to stop the drone in an emergency, you can use the emergency brake feature or the return to home feature, which will bring your drone exactly back to where it took off using GPS without you having to move anything, which is also the same feature that it uses if it gets too low on battery and needs to come back.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds. Go home.
Overall, the DJI Spark is an incredibly versatile and powerful drone. It's perfect for both beginners and enthusiasts. It's compact, easy to use, and packed with features that allow you to capture stunning aerial footage. So if you're in a market for a small drone that can do all this drone is an amazing option, even for the age. So there you have it, folks, a rundown of the DJI Spark's key features, and if you're in the market for a compact and powerful drone, this is definitely worth considering. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment below and tell us what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!